Part 4: Financial Incentives and Cost Savings of Mutual Fund Investments. In this section, we will explore the financial incentives and cost savings associated with investing in mutual funds, which can further enhance the appeal of these investment vehicles. 1. Capital gains and tax efficiency. When you invest in mutual funds, you may benefit from capital gains. Capital gains are the profits earned from the sale of securities within the fund's portfolio. Mutual funds distribute these gains to their investors periodically, either as cash or additional shares. Depending on your tax jurisdiction, capital gains distributions may be subject to favorable tax rates, such as long-term capital gains rates. This can result in potential tax savings and increased after-tax returns. 2. Systematic investment plans. SIPs mutual funds often offer systematic investment plans, allowing investors to contribute a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. SIPs are particularly useful for individuals looking to invest systematically and build their investment portfolio over time. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you can benefit from the power of rupee cost averaging. This means that when prices are high, you buy fewer units, and when prices are low, you buy more units, potentially reducing the average cost of your investments. 3. Expense ratios. Mutual funds charge an expense ratio, which covers the costs associated with managing the fund, including administrative expenses, management fees, and operating costs. However, compared to other investment options, mutual funds often have relatively low expense ratios due to economies of scale. The expenses are spread across a large number of investors, reducing the burden on individual investors. Lower expense ratios translate into higher net returns for investors. 4. No-load funds. Some mutual funds are classified as no-load funds, meaning they do not charge any sales or redemption fees. These funds allow investors to buy and sell shares without incurring any additional costs. No-load funds can be attractive for investors looking to avoid upfront fees or expenses associated with buying or selling mutual fund shares. 5. Retirement planning. Mutual funds offer retirement-focused investment options, such as individual retirement accounts, IRAs, and 401k plans. These retirement accounts provide tax advantages, allowing you to contribute pre-tax or post-tax income, depending on the type of account. By investing in mutual funds through retirement accounts, you can enjoy tax-deferred growth or tax-free withdrawals, depending on the account type and applicable tax regulations. 6. Automatic rebalancing. Some mutual funds offer automatic portfolio rebalancing, which ensures that your asset allocation remains in line with your investment objectives. As the market fluctuates, certain assets may outperform or underperform, leading to an imbalance in your portfolio. Automatic rebalancing periodically adjusts your portfolio back to its target allocation, maintaining a disciplined investment approach without requiring constant monitoring and manual adjustments. 7. Educational resources. Mutual fund companies often provide educational resources and tools to help investors make informed decisions. These resources may include articles, research reports, investment calculators, and online platforms that provide valuable insights into market trends, fund performance, and investment strategies. Access to educational resources can empower investors to make better investment decisions and stay updated on the latest market developments. By leveraging the financial incentives and cost savings offered by mutual fund investments, you can enhance your overall investment experience, maximize returns, and work towards achieving your long-term financial goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more educational content on investment strategies and financial empowerment.